Hi guys, it's me, Makeupbyjordana, or Jordan if you guys know me personally. But you don't. Yeah. Just here bringing you guys another YouTube video today. As you guys can see, oh, I thought you were not recording. I looked over to like check and the light was off.
I got you.
Imagine I did that intro, all complete. Nothing's recording. Okay.
A few moments later.
As you guys can see, my base is already done, which means we're just going to be doing probably more of like an in-depth eye look, also with a story time. I'm going to be telling you guys about the time this man mistaken me. Did I spit? Wow. This man mistaken me for a famous internet personality. Because it's exactly what I am. Yeah. So if you guys want to see how... Oh, before... Before I get into it, make sure you guys please do like, comment, and subscribe. It does help me out a lot. Please share it anywhere and everywhere. The subscribe button is down there. The like button is free.
Twitter. Instagram.
Yeah, that's fine. Follow me on Instagram and all of my social medias, which will always be down below in the description box. If not, they'll be somewhere on the screen here. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I do a eye look and talk about how a man mistaken me for a famous internet personality, then keep on watching. Let's get into this story. So I was just on I was on Snapchat. I was promoting my channel and everything like that, and I'm just looking for my eyeshadow base right now. I was just promoting my channel and everything like that, and I'm gonna prime my eye with my NYX Cosmetics professional makeup. Well, we all know who NYX is. The eye base in white, because I'm going to be dipping into color. But I'm just going to dip into it, and I'm going to dip it to it on a, this is a Techniques brush. I'm just going to pat this on my eye. But, so the way this happened was I was just promoting my, my channel and everything, and my makeup I was posting on my Snap and stuff like that. And this random person adds me on Snapchat. And we all know how Snapchat really is. It's kind of a, it's one of those apps where where it's like you really don't get on there to chat really, unless like you have like friends on there. But he added me, and I was like, hi, hello, because like the name looked familiar or whatever. And when he added me, because I had been posting like memes and everything and stuff like that, so he had been viewing my story through like other Snapchatter, because I have all my preferences on to public, so anybody everywhere can see it. And he had been like watching my story, I guess, for some time or whatever, of a really great personality. Her name is Quinwell Blackman, and she is amazing and talented and lovely. And I'm just dipping into my Be Done palette by Beats by Deb and playing Makeupbyjordana. And I'm dipping into the shade Lucid Dreams. And I'm just going to put this on the outer portion of my eye. And when he like added me or whatever, when I was posting what I was posting, everything that I was posting was like a meme or something like that, you know, just like so people can see it, just to pull people in, to get the attention of them. So I was kind of like just there minding my business, posting what I was posting, using a fluffy brush, by the way. Any fluffy brush really doesn't matter, just to pack on that color, and using stamping motion. But he added me, and he's like sliding up on my snaps or whatever, and I'm kind of ignoring him because I'm not really like paying attention to like who he is, because I don't really know who he is. After I text him, I just said hi or whatever, you know, because I always like to greet like all the people that add me, because I feel like that's like kind of fair, because I don't want you to add me on Snapchat and not know what you're getting into. And because adding me on Snap, not an honor, it's a hot messery. It's kind of a lie. All of it is a lie. It's a huge lie. So pretty much he added me and I posted the video of Quimo Blackman, and I love her, by the way. She's amazing. If you guys don't know who she is, please go follow her and everything like that. Bless you.
Thanks.
Please go follow her and everything like that. She's great. An amazing content creator. I think she does an amazing job at any and everything she does. So yes, please go and support her. But when he added me, he was like, he slid up on it and he's like, damn, man, like, you moving that thing. And I'm so confused because I'm like, who is this person? Like, the messages were vulgar, but they weren't like nasty or whatever. He's like, oh, let me like talk to you, let me talk to you, let me talk to you. You know, type stuff, like, you know, thirsty boy type stuff. And so I'm just like, I'm like, should I troll him or not? So I'm pretty much just like, I don't really know if I should troll him or not. Should I like leave him be? Should I like mess with him or like not? And so I'm just like, I guess I'll troll him. Because like there's just no way possible that like you thought that that was me and I was literally posting pictures of myself and posting pictures of like memes and stuff of other people. So how did you like try to figure out if that was you? Like how did that cross your mind? And literally like 5 minutes into it, he's like, let me hit that. And I'm like, gotta go, I'm about to roll out. Like, like types of everything. I'm like, I have to go. I'm crying because like this man really thought that like I was her. And I'm like, I mean, if I'm her twin, just let me know. Like, if I'm her twin, like, please let me know because I would love to be Quimo Blackman's twin. She's gorgeous. Everything about her is great. So I would love to. And everything. But the way this man was just like, oh my God, let me hit. Like, oh my God, let me talk to you. And like that, I'm like, who are you? So like I checked his snap score to like see who he was. This man had a snap score of like 4. So I'm like, and if you like are on Snapchat like that, then you understand. But like this man did not have like a really big snap score or anything like that. So I was kind of confused as to like where the hell did you come from? Like who sent you? Like, or did somebody else have you? Like, did somebody else add you? And I was completely having like a
baby, this is Keke Palmer.
Moment. Like I was like, baby, this is Keke Palmer. Like who? Like how do I look like her? I was just like, it's unrealistic for you to even say that. Like I felt like I was disrespecting Quinn. Like she's so pretty, and to be compared to me, a goat, like what? Like what do you mean? Like no, I was like, this is ridiculous. Like this is the ugliest thing in America like to ever happen to me. And this man like genuinely thought that like that was me. Could never. I was like, I don't even look anything like her. Like I don't even think I would be able to. It was just horrible. But you know, this man thought I was her, and it was so bad. Cause he was like constantly texting. He's like, where you stay, like where you live, like, oh, I really wanna come, and like, he's like, let me, and I'm like, huh? I'm like, I'm not even her, like it's unrealistic. Like I'm like, how? So I was like, let me stop trolling this man. So then I kept posting like actual pictures of myself, and when he was like, dang, you thick, and all this extra stuff, and I'm like, how like are you confusing me with how like you see my Bitmoji, like my Bitmoji looks like this. Hey, a picture please. I'll literally send it to you. But like how in the, and I realized if I turn this way they can see what I'm doing, so it's easy for them to know.
What is Keke Palmer from?
Keke Palmer? True Jackson VP.
Was that a show on I don't know if it was Disney or Nickelodeon.
T-Nick. And it was from my head to my copyright. My
head to my toes.
This the wind that you know I'm just ain't good. That's what it sounds like, to be honest. It's just what I do. T-R-U-E-J-A-C-K-S.
Does she also play in... Oh wait, that's Tara McClane.
Kill me.
I think I said her name right. Tara McClane. McClane?
Are you talking about China and McClane?
Who's Tara? Is there somebody named Tara McClane?
Are you talking about China and McClane from Ant Farm?
Yeah.
That's China and McClane! Oh!
Who's Tara?
Baby, that's for the song!
Baby, this is Keke Palmer.
Tara McClane from a song?
No!
Just keep doing your makeup. I'm so lost.
Baby, that's China and McClane. She made the legendary song, Tonight All the Monsters Gonna
Calling
Die.
all the monsters.
Calling all the monsters.
Yeah.
That was a movement. Y'all cannot tell me that that was not a movement. Like, that was a
fantastic.
movement.
Baby, this is Keke Palmer. Baby, this is Keke Palmer. Baby, this is Keke Palmer. Baby, this is...
I like this.
Like what? Oh, the blue shimmer?
Yeah. How do you feel about it?
I feel like a waterbender.
Yeah, only you make me think about like all of my makeup looks in a certain type of way.
Really?
Yeah, like I would never.
Oh.
Every time I actually, I'm like, it's always something different. So I have to.
Wait, what? Oh. Yeah. Gives
Not in
me
a bad
very
way, in a good way.
water, ocean vibes. I mean, as an artist, you know, your mind goes
To nature?
to like a lot of artistic things, creative things.
That's crazy. My mind doesn't go there.
Right?
Yeah, where does yours go? To Tara McClane?
No.
I'll try to find this video and be over it.
Tara McClane or China McClane or Kiki?
All of them.
All of them. And then bonus Lady Gaga.
I'm just tapping it to Cuban link on in the palette. It's like a gunmetal gray. I'm just tapping it on the center of the lid too. And then I'm probably gonna do a wing liner. Crazy, right? Wing liner, me, never. Me and wing liner, never happened.
Bus, club, another club, another club, another club, plane.
Baby, this is Keke Palmer.
No sleep, another club, another club.
Down Barbie, pushing up in Ferrari. I raced through Africa just to see the safari. I am the in America, harder than America. Just America, the back, Sarah Jessica, Jessica.
Bus, club, another club, another club, another club, plane.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna put my lashes on. So this is one finished eye. I'm gonna pop a lash on and then do the other eye off camera. And I'll be right back.
It's fucking dusty ass just doing this shit.
I'm dead.
And then my neck shit just...
I think the girls with their nails done now.
Yes, montage. Can we use this song?
No. Outro. Sorry. I just got a random burst of energy. I'm ready.
I love that for you.
I'm ready.
love
I
that
feel
part.
excited. This looks good. This is amazing. I'm
This
having
is
a
really
good
good.
time.
Alright, so this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like a blue halo eye type of moment. It's really kind of cute. And I hope you guys... I just finished my lips and everything. And I added like a wing liner and stuff like that. And fake beauty marks and stuff. Well, I have some real ones, but like, you know, added them. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this story time of me being Quimo Blackman. Because that's my twin. But if you guys did like this video and enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. The like button is free.
It's free real estate.
It's free. You guys should really, really...
Baby, this is Kiki Palmer.
You guys should really hit the like button. Also subscribe, and please let me know down below in the comment section. Comment. Be active. Just let me know what you guys want to see next. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I enjoyed what?
Yes.
Yes. I enjoyed it. Work. Yeah. Also, follow me on all of my social medias, which will be linked around anywhere here in the video somewhere. If not, please go back and click the video if it'll be linked up here, or if not, somewhere on the screen where you guys can click it. Please watch the last video, and I know you guys are doing anything else, so you guys should go ahead and do that and follow me everywhere on my social medias. I love you guys. Bye!